Do you remember what you say, or do you often feel forgotten after speaking? I used to, because I used to aim to give as much info as possible, or believing more is better. But then I realized if they don't remember, nothing changed. If you speak or share the important information, but if they don't remember, it's nothing. So today I will share a 5 key way to speak so people will remember what I gonna speak. So so the 5 key stand for using one word, which is it, share. SHARE, share. So what is a share actually? Share is a acronym with 5 elements that help you speech stick. So it's not about overwhelming your audience with data or fact. It's about a living an impression. So what you say, method, and stay. So what is a share actually? So the first thing first is X. X stands with stand up. Doing something small but different. Something that make your message is pop. So for example, answering how are you when absolutely phenomenal, like instance of goods, they will make it as memorable. So how about H? H is highlights the importance. So tell your audience what is intentional, or use paragraph like this is important, or remember this. So otherwise people hear a lot and remember little, because the audience will remember what we say if we use the important, because they will thinking that topic or that thing that we share are important, and that will help the audience. So that's why we use the paragraph like this is important, or remember. The audience will remember the key one, the highlight one in our speech. So the third one is A. A is the address them. So make sure you speak about them using a word you. When the people see relevance to themselves, they pay more attention and remember. So whenever you speech, you have to use, because whenever we speaking in front of people, we share a story or share or some things using you, they will relate when their life, or maybe they will imagine themselves as our speech. So use our paragraph you in our speech, so they will help us. So the fourth one is art. Art is be repeatable. Art repeats. So use story, use analogy, use metaphor that is easy to repeat. You have to be creative whenever you have to speak. So people will not be bored, and something can retell or share later. For example, you share a one story that's surprising them, and they will share this to another persons who didn't know about that. So they will remember that story, because everyone love gossip, right? So whenever we share something hot, they will remember. Yeah. So the last one, I guess, is E. E is emotions. Emotions make a message stick. If you feel something, your audience it feel the same too. For example, you share a story that feel a sad story, the audience will feel sadness too. So whenever it's a joy, creativity, empathy, or surprise, emotion helps anchor memory. So this is the 5 key words to speak that the audience will remember. So the next time you speak, maybe in class, a job interview, or casual in a conversation, just try includes one element for share. Just try S or H. H highlights importance. Or just use address. Use you in your speech. For example, if you are giving presentation in your class, start with something that stand out, that make your speech is pop up. So maybe a story or surprising facts. Or maybe you use address into the audience. So when you pair ask a question make it relevant to them. So I will a conclusion here. So speaking, so people remember you isn't about packing in more info. It's about making what you stand out, highlight, address, be repeated, and emotional field. So if you apply share, your word will carry further. People will remember what you say and maybe add on tips. So the next time you speak, pick one element of share and use it. Notice how people respond to your speech, and if you found this helpful, share it with someone else, like friends, colleagues, or maybe your classmates. I think is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Speak in a way that not speak in a way that not just hurt, but remember.